side, I'm Dr. Aisha Stroop, emergency medicine.
Right, so you were down in the Fletchersland community yesterday for
I
first
was,
health here.
yes.
Please give us your take on your overall assessment of how things went yesterday.
They went well. So we were able to help a lot of people with chronic diseases. We were able to help some people with some acute diseases. Someone came in with an acute problem. We were able to get them treatment even at the hotel. Dental worked really hard. They were there the longest, and a lot of the medical team came and helped them as well. I think it was a huge success. We had a lot of patients that came in. They were very thankful, and of course all of that was rewarding for us.
Right, so this is an inner city community here in Kingston.
Yes.
How did you find the people, the patients?
Oh, the people were very nice, very thankful.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
How do you feel about the work that JAHJAH Foundation is doing in offering this sort of services to the poor and marginalized people?
So JAHJAH Foundation is amazing. I have known the founder since residency. We trained together, and to see it come to fruition to where it is today is, it just melts my heart, because Dr. Dixon is so passionate, and that everyone he knows that comes in to help him has the same passion. The fact that he's making such a huge impact in Jamaica is something that's it's a legacy that he's leaving, and the people here are benefiting. JAHJAH Foundation.